Oh yeah. What's up, world? It's the Master G, y'all. Sugar Hill Gang, Wonder Mike, and Diggity. I'm out here with my man Bob Sinclair. Let's do it. 2, 3, hit it. Back in the day when the DJ spun all night. Why the party's fun, the MCs come to rock and bless the mic. Oh, yeah. No need to worry, no need to hurry. Them rules are just for you. Come on, people popping and locking, breaking and rocking. Everybody knows there ain't no stopping. Come on, y'all, get on the floor. We're gonna take you back, make it big and more. Ain't no party like an old school party, cause an old school party don't stop. So DJ, drop my favorite joint and let me rock the mic. Now throw your hands high in the air. Everybody say, oh yeah. Yeah, just do it. Alright, now somebody, anybody, everybody sing. Yeah, just do it. Oh yeah, move that body, come on. It's on it. I like that. Talk to me. Wonder Mike, come on, to get that.
Yes, y'all, it's Wonder Mike, and I like to rock the house. I'ma work that body, and baby, just turn it down. With a hip and a hop, and don't just stop. Let me see that body rock. With your applejack cock to the side, let me hear you say it. Alright, the groove's so funky, furious, make you dance so serious. When the people hearing us, they start to go delirious. Work it, let's work it, work it. Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
From side to side.
Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho.
It's on it.
I like that.
Wait, not just come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the honor birth of the Master G show. Once upon a time, not long ago, when there was no rap stars on TV shows, no movie deals, commercials. Russell Simmons was just starting to grow. In them days when you took up the art, you did it second for the money and first for the heart. Back then you had to be a true believer, and we all hung at the disco fever. DJ Flash in Hollywood made it happen in the streets of Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, and Long Island Sound. And we would get for miles around to see us get down. The song's dedicated to the fact that you got to recognize pioneers and raps. Come on. Woo!